enjoying a chat with beautiful views over Nant Gwrtheyrn. A Welsh heritage centre that's received substantial investment recently that will undoubtedly help secure the language's future. It was also the location of the extremely popular television programme Talk About Welsh. Here on the Llŷn Peninsula, it's possible to improve your Welsh and experience what it is like to live in a Welsh environment, for a while at least. But your experience doesn't have to end here. There are plenty of opportunities.
Hanner dy de, ysgol cyfa?
Hanner dy de, ia?
There are also plenty of information centres in the area, and their friendly staff are always happy to help.
Helo, bore da.
Su'mai?
Da iawn, diolch. Draig goch, 5.99, ysgol chi dda. Diolch.
Welsh is everywhere, and you'll soon realise that perhaps you understand a lot already. Enjoy the experience and don't be afraid to try. So give it a go today.
Un tocyn os gwelwch yn dda.